Don't try to hold back your laughter because it's impossible with these funniest cats. Don't believe us? See for yourself with today's video. Let's go! How to lose cheeks fat without even lifting a paw. Don't laugh. This could be the start of our modern Mozart. This video shows how forgiving humans can be with these naughty furballs. The more terrifying something is, the more attractive it gets. This describes perfectly how cats feel about water. If you see a mess and the first thing you do is film your cat, then you're a true cat lover. It wasn't me. That toy must be magnetic. How could people find so many cats that are into piano? Mine only reacts to the sound of food shaking. Rule is, if your cat falls, you film first. Huh?
Так, вот уже наш ракушка. Эй, подожди.
If we humans keep laughing happily like this when cats steal our food, they'll never stop.
Куда ты убежал?
Cat will always choose the weirdest way to sit, even on a chair. Are these two furballs fighting or harmonizing? They sound perfect together. We should stop questioning our kitty's actions, or we'll get headaches.
I see you. Get over here!
Let's see how long this truck toy can entertain Cat before he comes back to play with the human's hand.
Lyra, I'm gonna take away your window privileges if you keep doing this. Get down! Get down! Hey! You're gonna lose window privileges. Get off!
The sweetest jump scare cat lovers could ever ask for. Every time I look at you, you're staring at me. Greedy kitty. At least wait until these meatballs are cooked.
Disculpe, una entrevista, joven, una entrevista, perdón, me espanté. ¿Qué opina? ¿Qué opina usted de los gatos callejeros? Oiga, ¿qué opina usted de los gatos callejeros?
He keeps rolling. What are you doing? Don't roll away. Yeah, don't roll away.
Training the cat at home to be a professional stuff wrecker.
He agrees to the interview.
A picture worth $1,000 is just another board for Kitty to trim claws. Poor is the target that has been chosen by this cat. Look how determined he is to catch it.
Loving, you're fabulous, you're amazing. Yes, you are all those things and so much more. Yes, believe in yourself. Yes, believe in yourself. Yes.
Why dogs can sit with you? Simply because dog can jump up onto the sofa. When we can see our loved one, but we can't get to them.
Don't do it.
Thought he wanted to be the star on the Christmas tree.
Ozzy, don't be stuck in the window. Oh.
Two types of cats when playing toys. Lazy one and active one. Me passed out in front of my door after a drunk night. Is your stomach aching from laughing too hard? Subscribe for more funny cats moments. Thank you and see you soon.